Jules, how we doing? How we doing? Lynn's Game Lab, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Let me change this to just save that. Hello, Super Ben, how we doing? Doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Not too bad. What's going on, Matt? Let me find my title here. Back to settings, and then boom. Copy that. And go back to here. Copy that. Save. All right, cool. What are you gaming today? So today I'm doing a little bit different. What's going on, Ply? Um, we're actually just gonna talk about Linux, and I'm gonna update my configuration and things first, and then the second half of the stream, we're gonna jump over to Twitch and game. So I'm gonna kind of separate the Linuxing and the gaming side of things. See how it goes. We'll see. Let me kind of open it up to others who's not, not that much into gaming, but wanna be a part of it. You know what I mean? But how are we doing today, guys? Ply in the house. Two in the house. How we doing, man? How you been? Been okay for the most part. How about yourself? I've been doing pretty good. Thanks for asking, man. Um, how is your K1 setup coming along? It's coming along really well. I'm quite pleased with it. I uh I just got a couple extra things set up. So I have one, the power management stuff is now working. So I have that, session stuff starting and working good. And then two, in the keyboard shortcuts, I actually added Noctalia um, options here. So you can actually add your shortcuts straight from here instead of having to add them as a custom shortcut. So you can update the like binds like wallpaper, launch dock, the launcher, um, toggle settings, all that stuff. You can now do through the actual settings here. Good, good. My spaghetti or making spaghetti and chilling with the dot. Nice. Good to hear, Ply. Thanks for chilling with the Don. Good morning, JTech. Good afternoon. Was it afternoon? Yeah, it's afternoon for me. Good afternoon. How we doing, man? Welcome in. Oh, that's gonna go on CLI, right? You working hard or hardly working? Oh,
Living the dream.
hey, Smitty in the house. Afternoon, man. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I downloaded Fedora and I'm going to try Kinetic. I might need some help. Nice. There we go. Well, I ended up what I ended up doing while I wait for AUR Kinetic is killing Plasma Shell myself and launching Noctalia in KDE with the true. There we go. Yeah, that's basically what I was doing previously. So you're achieving that aspect of the setup that way. It's a good way to do it. Welcome in, Tyler, by the way. Gonna install it on a new PC with the motherboard shows up. Hey, there we go. There we go, Smitty. I think you like it. You're on KDE right now, right? That's what you use currently, if I remember correctly. Yep, plain white rice. Hey, Finley in the house. Wallpaper change. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones too. Good pick, Finley. Good pick. Oh, we can move Kava. And the CLI here. Just gonna get rid of all this cramp. Totally knew it was that one. Yeah, of course you did. Why wouldn't you have known it was that one? There's no other way to know. Those of you who are channel members or what's it called? Twitch subs, you can actually join the stage on the Discord if you want. Open it up to anybody who wants to join. I'm in Discord now. Oh, whoops. Let me save that. And then we're going to save that as well. Let's see. Go to declare packages. Move B-top for sure. Wait, didn't I already put B-top in here? Wasn't that already, yeah. Live DR Gaming, how we doing? How's the Window Manager project coming along? It's coming along really well. Thanks for asking. I was just showing Ertu that I was able to add Noctalia shortcuts into the KDE settings app, so you can now set those from within here instead of having to add a custom shortcut and like adding the command line option there. So everything is I'm kind of updating the user experience to be a little bit more fluid when setting things up within Kinetic, and then I also got the power management stuff working as well. I had to run some. I think it was Power Devel and UPower. Had to have those running on within the startup script. So that's working. I hate to say it because ultrawide is really nice. Going back to the 16:9 has made life a lot easier for me. Ooh, interesting. I mean, I get it. I do. There are some situations where like the ultrawide, it's like you have to adapt your setup to the ultrawide because of the different aspects that just don't click. when you're not in that 16:9 aspect ratio. So I definitely get it in terms of space on my desk too. Yeah, no, that's very true. Yeah, I have nothing but nothing but monitors on my desk. You can't. I couldn't fit anything else on my desk because it's got monitors everywhere. The most amount of monitors that I can possibly get on here. Wait, ooh, you wall mounted your ultra wide, Smitty? That sounds nice. Oh, we can move this one. Corp CLI. Um, let's do that, and then we're actually gonna divide these into like dev, for instance. Oh, that's not what I meant at all. Oh, because I'm not in. There you go. I don't know what to call this. This is like just like ricing stuff, maybe. Needed the desk space. Yeah, I don't know. I do have which one? I have my vertical monitor mounted, which is nice. But my other two monitors are just sitting on the desk. So I mean, I feel like I could probably probably change that, but um I'd have to get another. Is your ultra wide curved? Yes, yes it is curved. Slight curve, not a huge curve, just a slight curve, you know. Probably going to install Kinetic soon because I have KD already installed on my laptop, but I never use it. It's just a backup in case I break something. Nice. Well, yeah, let me know. Let me know how it goes. We need to install it. I will say that the most stable version is on Fedora at the moment. So that is the one that I suggest installing if you're going to install it. But I will get the other ones fixed up eventually. I just want to get to a good point, stability wise and all that, before doing so, or before like focusing on that, rather. So I don't have to like reinvent the wheel a couple times. What do you call CLI packages that are like just for ricing? Like Kava and stuff like that. What do you call what do I label that? On my way a little bit because I'm not going back to Fedora. I'm still on Archbase. Okay. No worries. Kinetic is still beta, I assume. Yeah. Oh, I was having this. Wait, I might have mentioned it on my live the other day, but I feel like all open source projects are always in beta. Like, if you have an open source project and your source code is available to everybody and you're constantly updating it, I feel like it's just like a consistent beta. Do you ever really launch it? It's just there and available to use. So it's just straight beta. Rice equals essential packages. So these are essentials. I need to label these essentials. Why? I don't know what to call that. Like, but I mean, like B top is definitely. We're going with essentials. So Linux has been in early access since 1991. Yeah, 100%. You are correct, Jonathan. I mean, it's still at early access. Like we don't even have everything fully working. Would you say it's at the point where it's a fully 100% functional? Hey. Twitch is the climb from rare card tools to an awesome new crew. His next big adventure starts with you. That boy in the house, how we doing? Welcome in. So Yeah, I mean, I would say, like, it's still a work in progress. Linux is 100% a work in progress. Um, so yeah, it's still in beta. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Were you about to say BTOP is not essential? No, no, no. BTOP is essential. I was gonna say BTOP is more of like a monitoring tool, right? Quantum Hailstorm, first time chatter over on Twitch. Appreciate you, man. Been using beta of Noctalia shell the last few days. Rewrite of Quick Shell based C++. Very solid so far. Impressed. Yeah, I've been using it for a while now, and I definitely think it's in a good place myself. Um, really no issues. I haven't had any. I mean, there's been like some small little bugs here and there, like things I wish was there, but overall, I think it's in a good spot. BTOP is essential. So do I make an essentials? It's fast. That's essential. I feel like it is. I would say it's a non-negotiable. The 100%. My programs won't stop until I BTOP. Maybe make two categories: optional rice and then essential rice. Yeah, rice e. How you spell essentials again? Essentials can't type. CMake, that's dev. I'm gonna throw that in here. One category. Here's the rice. Could do it that way. I'm probably just gonna leave it as rice essentials and then put everything ricing wise in that category. Do I want to move those to Nix packages though? I was thinking about making all of my CLI packages Nix packages instead of Fedora packages, but I haven't decided on that yet. There really is no major benefit, but is there? Not really. What are we doing today? We're just doing a little bit of a like Linux pod, if you will. Just talking about Linux and gaming, where things are at. I'm thinking about just splitting up my streams a little bit. First half of the stream is going to be a little more laid back and just updating my configuration and talking about Linux. And the second half, we're going to jump over to Twitch only and do some streaming, gaming, rather. So if you're not followed me on Twitch, definitely do so you can catch that. Let's see what else I got in here. We can definitely put Discord and Discord into shoot comms. And then I feel like all this stuff could I don't know. Oh, I don't need BTOP twice. Room that. Clang can go in dev. Oops. Oh, and Corey Utils. So you can throw those over yonder. You can't have too many B tops. No, you're right. You're right. I can have B top installed all the ways, all the different ways. Yeah, curl can go and dev. I mean, is DTLI dev? Kinda, not really. Um, Don needs to make a monitoring program CLI DTOP. Oh, get the DTOP going. Dang it, Smitty. now you now you got my wheels turning. Because there's things I like about H top, and then things I like about B top. That maybe I can just join together into one top, the D top.
The birds are flying and the wolves are hunting. KCB has entered the chat.
Hey, KCB, what's going on, man? How we doing today? We can move flat pack. That's gotta. How was your birthday the other day, KCB? How'd that go? Hey God, if you make D top, can the icon be a mushroom, please, bro? Oh, that's too good. But maybe I'll incorporate the mushroom in it as like a, you know, just for you. Shoot, what did I just copy? Dang it, I keep doing this. Did I like delete it, copy it? Yes, I did. Shoot. Oh, it's flat pack. Is flatpak CLI? Flatpak is like repos, right? Yeah, we're gonna. That's not what I copied. Wait, so did I not copy flatpak? BTM is pretty useful as well. Not as polished as BTAP, but interesting alternative. I have not used BTM. What is that? What does that stand for? Do you know? Oh, game scope can go under gaming. Now I'm jumping around. I keep doing this. I can't keep jumping around. Gaming. Put game scope in here. And I didn't copy it, so I gotta type it out. Jeez, I'm failing. Game scope. I'm gonna check it out later. As opposed to top. Oh, bottom. Interesting. What does that look like? Sudo dnf install btm. Is that in the nope. Oh, it's not in the repos, so I'm just gonna move on. It was good. I realized I really wanted to a minimal no tiling window manager. Oh, okay. Which you can still do on Kinetic if you want. You can just disable tiling altogether and still use it with Noctalia bar and all that jazz. Really up to you, man. Or if it's not for you altogether, you can go back to KDE as well. The Nix package is bottom. Ooh, okay. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Wrong spot. Abort. 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 CLI. Bottom. A three stream. I can't talk. Three stream streak. God dang it. Minnie, don't do it. Yuki Love, how we doing? XFCE.
Woohoo!
Oh my god. 22 times. Jeez. How we doing, Yuki Love? You doing good today? You switched to XFCE full time? Is that what you're telling me? Remo over on YouTube. How we doing, man? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was oh shoot. Why is removing all those? Oh, that's not right. I'm seriously considered switching from Windows to Linux. Nice. What's the holdback? What's holding you back there, Rima? Defiant, how we doing, man? Welcome in. We are doing pretty good. How are you doing, man? Nope, saying XFC because it's minimal and you can use it as regular floating no time. Oh, yeah, for KCB, that's what you're saying. Yeah. No, I'm with you. Hey, there we go. In it upgraded to pseudo Donnie's. Evening in it. How we doing? Thank you for the upgrade. Appreciate you, man. Gaming, but I heard that this issue is solved now. I use Steam. Now is the Proton. Yeah, I mean, I game quite a bit. I play the finals, rivals, Impulse, Overwatch. I just installed Sand and some Division games. Um, so yeah, I all those work, really well, and they're all shooters and with the anti-cheat and all that. So it just depends on the games that you play, honestly. Might serve you well to start with the dual boot and see how it goes from there. Good. Just finished some learning. I'm doing a chapter after having done a day's work. Nice. There we go. Last time I played with Linux was about 15 years back. That time the games didn't work properly. Yeah, Proton wasn't a thing, and if it wasn't native on what's it called, then it wasn't really working. If it wasn't native to Linux, you pretty much had no choice. I mean, there was some like workarounds and stuff you could do, but wasn't nearly as good as Proton is nowadays. Near Defiant, BRB. System reboot needed. Sounds good, man. See you in a minute. Those of you over on YouTube, make sure you like the stream. If you're enjoying yourself, appreciate you. Let me see why. CD projects. BCLI. I'm planning to use AMD 97 XT with Intel Ultra 235. That's a good setup. I definitely would go AMD if I mean I do have Nvidia and I don't have nearly as many issues as I did like even a year ago, but AMD is just overall more compatible and easier to deal with on Linux. So definitely definitely a good setup there to be starting with. A Defiance back. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see. Is better now. I would actually consider switching to Debian or Fedora, but I actually realized with Arch I currently don't need any third-party repos, and Debian and Fedora I would. Oh, interesting. Um, yeah, I mean I have RPM and Terra at the moment, and like what two copper repos. Um, so yeah, I mean I get your point. I found it annoying an urge to switch to something better or different, even though Arch. I used to be there too, and it not gonna lie to you. Um, is NVIDIA better now on Linux? Can you use ray tracing and other features? Yes. Not in every game, but some games, yes. And it is definitely better. Like I don't have nearly as many issues as I did even like 6 months ago. It is progressively getting better. Would you recommend NVIDIA over AMD? No. When it comes to Linux, I would definitely recommend AMD over, just to avoid any potential headaches, if you will. So what we working on at the moment, Don? I'm getting my, I'm still setting up my DCLI configuration here. It's going to take like a week to do. Um, I'm basically taking all my explicitly installed packages and dividing them up into categories. So I have everything set up. So if I ever need to reinstall or move anything or just have it all, set up the way I want it, I have everything in one file that I can just bring back and get everything back the way I want it. Just install Steam from Terra as well. So Terra repo is a replacement for RPM Fusion as it both has NVIDIA and Steam. Yes, you could probably get away with just Terra. I think I installed NVIDIA through RPM though, um, if I'm not mistaken. AMD over NVIDIA for Linux, but my NVIDIA card has been working flawlessly lately. Yeah, that's the thing. Like it's been working pretty good as of lately. I have not really had any issues, so I can't really complain. But I do know that I do randomly run into some like NVIDIA only issues where if I had AMD, it just wouldn't have been an issue to begin with. Red Hat has been going hard on NVIDIA drivers. Nice. There we go. That's good to know. That's good to hear. At least on AMD, but I imagine it's not much better on NVIDIA. Ray tracing not perfect on Linux. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You're still gonna hit like a performance issues, but it could be better. NVIDIA work. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Smitty. NVIDIA works good, but AMD works better. So I just realized why I couldn't install that package is because in on desktop I don't have any of these modules enabled. So I need to enable CLI. Or I could just enable packages. I gotta do packages. I probably could just oh, whoops. How'd that just happen? Emulators. And then gaming. And then kernel. Oops. And then media. NVIDIA. Repos. Can't spell or type. Themes. Oops. How we got there. And I already got themes. Vert. Boom. What are we working on today? I am fixing up my DCLI config still, since I absolutely did not get any of it done on Friday. I actually try to focus and actually get it done. Let me code. How we doing? I don't believe gaming is a thing. What? You don't game? That's crazy talk. Crazy talk. Yo, what are we doing today? Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you calling me out there. Thank you, thank you. How we doing, man? Liao. I am updating my DCLI configuration. I reduced it a little bit, just using a Flake and Nix instead of the home manager and stuff like that. So I'm just redoing my modules and everything to fit my system, because I haven't done it in a while. I heard that Proton will let you play most of Windows games. Yeah, for the most part. There's not very many that you can't really use. For the gamer folk, should I play Red Dead Redemption 2 or Twitch 3 Wild Hunt? I haven't played either, and I just got both during the summer Steam sale. Ooh. I haven't really played the Witcher games, to be honest with you. I have played the Red Dead Redemption games, and I did like them. So I'm gonna have to say Red Dead Redemption. But I heard that Witcher is really good as well. So yeah, I don't know. What are my PC specs? I have right here Intel 13th Gen i7 and RTX 4070. Greatest game I've played in 10 years. Oh, wow. Red Dead Redemption 2 is up there like that. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy. All right, I'm gonna need you to stick around for the entire stream to do spell checks for me. to make sure I don't mess up again. Witcher 3 will have a DLC soon. Witcher 4 is on the way. Uh-oh. You're on your 5th playthrough? That's actually crazy. That means it's really good. Like really, really good. Now if I do, let's get rid of that. probably just typed in my password wrong. Are multiple endings? Nope. just that good. 13th or third gen of Intel had CPU voltage issues. I haven't experienced it. So it's removing fast fetch and B top. I don't want to do that. Do you use a Flake for Helium browser? No, I actually have Helium browser installed through the Terra repos in Fedora. But when I was on NixOS, yes, I did use a Flake for Helium browser. I can't remember which Flake. I think there's like a couple out there. I just finished Gothic Remake Recommended. Oh, what is that? I don't think I've heard of that one. So those two are not being respected as thanks packages then. Azar, welcome in. How we doing? Hey, what's going on, Zero? Welcome in, man. I'm sorry, English is not my first language, so my sentences can be a bit foggy. Oh, all good, man. I also, if you ever see me struggling to read a message, it's probably not you. I just can't read. It's 100% me, not on you. That's why we have a salad counter to count how many times I mess up reading comments. Only all old farts like me can remember. It's like a 20-year-old game. Don reads faster than his lips move. I don't even think it's that, to be honest with you. I think my brain is thinking about something past what the current thought is. So it just gets jumbled up and becomes salad. Steve Darkside, welcome in. How we doing? Thanks for KineticWE. Tried it. Quick run. It looks pretty cool. So I'll be installing it tonight and fully setting it up. Just have to decide Cache base or Fedora. If you're going to go full KineticWE, I would go Fedora. That is the most stable and feature-rich version at the moment. As I'm still having some issues with getting everything installed on Arch and Debian, as far as there's just some package dependency issues that I'm working out, because every distro obviously packages things differently. So, yeah. Hey, Tree, how we doing? Welcome in over on the Twitch. Appreciate you. LGL was calling Pac-Man a shit package manager. Yeah, he tends to do that sometimes. I have KineticWE on this laptop. Set it up on top of Zero Dora on external drive. Nice. There we go. Because you not getting your thing to work on Arch. Oh. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a shit package manager. Just different, man. What's going on, Yash? And of course, since I'm using Fedora, it's easier to test and do everything. You know what I mean? So that's why it's working the best on Fedora because we're both using Fedora. It's easier to get through things. I have an allergy on Nix Flakes. Wait, what is allergy? Are you saying you have allergies on Nix Flakes, or are you saying that that's a package? Because now you got me confused. I also have to say I like the fact that you did not hide. You use LLMs to get help. You make this unlike some other devs that hide it. I don't mind LLMs used. I do too. Yeah, I'm not a full stack dev man. Like I know my way around code and how to update it, and but writing it from scratch is not my thing. So I do need help from time to time. I do work in the development industry and project management, so like I'm around developers and code all the time, but it's not my day to day. You know what I mean? So I need LLMs to help me along the way. Just what it is. But I do like to disclose that because some people are not about that, and I even literally put, if you're not about it, keep it moving. It's literally on the readme. The only thing Don hides is his face and feet. Bro, pretty much. My skin turned red and I sneeze when I install Flakes. That's pretty good. Can you use AI in Linux? Yeah, for sure. You can use open code, wallpaper change. Thank you, Tree. I have what I have. I have open code installed. So you can use open code with a bunch of different models. They got all the models. And I also have Klein installed. So you can use Klein. They got all the models too. All the models. You use Claude. Pretty much all of them can install and use. The Penguin Empire. What languages do you know? Probably most efficiently Dart, because I work with mobile apps in my day job. So Flutter. A llama is in the Fedora repo. I don't know. Is it? I couldn't tell you. Is there a benefit of using AI on Linux than Windows? Not really. Um, yeah, not really. Thanks to LGL, I put an AI disclaimer on Wiki. I do not hide it. Yes, that's good to know. Or good to do. Good to do. You switched back to open code. I thought you said it was slow. No, I still use Klein mainly, but I still have open code installed. I just never uninstalled it. Linux take less memory? Kind of. Dart, Flutter, yuck. No, actually, both are solid languages. Just don't have enough support from the community. No, 100%. It's just building multi-platform apps and tools. Flutter is the option that the agency uses. Is AI worth the price? It depends. It depends on you. It depends on how much you want to use it. I have the what do I have? I have the Klein Go plan or whatever. It's like $10 a month. And it you get like pretty much infinite usage. I rarely ever run out. So yeah, it just depends on how much you're using it and what you're using it for, what your use case and stuff like that is, if it's going to be worth it to you. Space Commissar? How we doing? Is this KDE Plasma? Just joined the stream. Looks beautiful. No, kind of. Not really. It's KDE without the plasma. So it's my KineticWE. So this guy here is Noctalia as the shell, so there's no plasma running. So if I actually kill Noctalia, I won't. It'll just be a black background. So like for instance, if I do this, you see it's just a black background. There's no plasma running in the background, but I get all the features of KDE, which is KWin under the hood, but it has native tiling built in. Oh, thank you, JTech, for the tip on the geometry trains. I love the animations now. Animations are much better with the geometry trains desktop effect. It's pretty cool. Thank you. Yeah, and I also have in the keyboard shortcuts, I have Noctalia built in now. So you can do like wallpaper and theme mode, launcher, all those things that, straight from in the shortcuts with the Noctalia. And also do have the power management working now, which is pretty cool. Works pretty well. You can still do all your display management and all that stuff as well. Hey, DX Official, how we doing? Is this Arch? No, I'm on Fedora. Human Spra. A really big question. How is Arch more stable than Fedora in my use case? Maybe it's because my laptop have hybrid graphics. Yes. No, that's 100% the reason. Fedora doesn't do great with hybrid graphics. I've learned that from experience myself. You can get it to work, but it's definitely there's definitely some quirks to it. Ham without the burger. I like Claude AI, but I find it cuts corners if you don't pay attention. Not 100%. I don't let it make any changes until I agree to the changes. I can normally keep it on, you have to accept every edit option instead of just letting it run. No, I'm not using Hyperland. I'm using KineticWE on Fedora Linux. It's a fork of KWin, which gives you tiling. Oops. Tiling by default. But it has all of the features of KDE. So it's kind of like a best of both worlds scenario. Wait, Fedora does not ship Wi-Fi drivers in TTY, but Aconda, it's fine. No, yeah. That's 100%. That's 100% true. I heard if you do the server host one, it comes with Wi-Fi drivers. Can you minimize window? Yeah, I can still minimize windows. Minimize that window. Oh, that's Steam. Whoops. I didn't mean to click that one. Minimize. So I can just click here. You still minimize, maximize, all that stuff still works. Smitty. You can literally turn off tiling if you want and just use it as as a desktop. Can you configure your dot files with DCLI like Home Manager on NixOS? Can you configure your dot files with DCLI like home? Yes, you can. So I have over here, I have Mango and my Neri dot files. So you can see them all here. So here's my Mango. Hello? Why aren't you open? Oh, there we go. Maybe when I'm zoomed in, I can't click it. There's all the dot files for Mango and Neri. I did remove my Hyperland ones. I was not using it anymore, so I don't really need them. And when you sync them through here and have them as an enabled module, it'll automatically sync to .config. So it is symlink to .config, so I can change my configuration here, and it automatically updates the file in .config for all of these files that are there. Hey, dude, make a copper. It's already there, dude. There's already a copper for KineticWE. It's right here. This is the recommended way of installing KineticWE. Right here. I have to admit, your compositor is very impressive. Good job. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, I missed that question. Superberg, in theory, yes, he's much using KWin, which is the Wayland compositor for KDE. So you don't, it should support many things that KDE does. Yes. What was the actual question though? I missed it. Could you use something like barrier synergy on something like this if it works in KDE? Yeah, you should be able to. The only thing is, if it's like a tray related, no, it still should work if it's tray related because the tray is implemented into Noctalia as well. Yeah, yeah, it should work. Superbench. Thank you for changing my wallpaper again. Got to change it up every once in a while. Yeah, it uses the KDE XGG portals as well. Correct. I'm blind. Nah, you're good, man. Um, okay, cool. I think I'll try it out. Cool deal. Let me know how it goes. I'm so behind Linux. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, Linux has come a long way. What does it take to write your own compositor? I wouldn't know because I forked one. I'm still using the base of KWin. I'm just adding the tiling bits on top of it. It's separate source files. It's separate from the actual thing, so that way I'd still do merge from upstream from KWin. So whenever KWin makes any updates, I can still get everything on KineticWE. So all that's separate. It's not actually conflicting with any of the existing files. I did that on purpose so we didn't run into that kind of issue. Do you still use other distros? Yes. My favorite are NixOS and Fedora at the moment, but I've used all, pretty much every distro. I have NixOS on a separate drive on my main computer here, and then I also have yeah, I think that's it. NixOS and Fedora are the only ones I have on my computers currently. How should I learn Linux? I know just basic commands. That's where you start, man. You just install it, maybe do a dual boot, so you're not like dedicated to it unless you really want to learn it, and just kind of go from there. What IDE do you use? I'm using Zed Editor. As a security-focused software designer, not a dev, what is the best distro for me to do you think? Um, I mean, really, any distro can achieve, for the most part, security focused. Unless you just want it to be security focused out of the box, then I would, yes, go with something like Kali or Parrot. Hey, thank you, Remo. Appreciate the super chat there. Thank you for answering my questions. You're most welcome. Thank you for the donation. Ultramarine, yeah, Ultramarine's pretty good too. I used Ultramarine back in the day. Yeah, I'm kind of partial to Kali. I just wasn't sure if it was the best. It's definitely pretty good. I haven't used it in a very long time. Yo, Don, do you have a pull kit issue with Dolphin when you install KineticWE? I was trying to click on my second NVMe. Hey, joined 4 months ago. There we go. What are you using to zoom in? Is that a KDE effect? Yes, that's if you just do super control and then scroll on your mouse, it zooms in. That's a default setting. You can do that on KDE or KWin rather. Oh, but yeah, so go into the this is Fortitude. Go into the Noctalia settings and then go to I think it's under security and then Polkit agent. Just enable that. And then you'll get your Polkit options coming back. Yeah, bro. Yeah, JTech, that's built in. You just learned me something today. That's awesome. I finally taught JTech something. He's not teaching me every day. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Crazy talk. Why Fedora? It's just been the sweet spot for me. Um, human human Espera. I got away from Arch well before the whole AUR thing. I actually didn't like the AUR before that was an issue. Back when they were having like the DDoS issues of um that's not the word for it. But yeah, the issues that they're having a while ago. And I kind of just moved away from there. I went to Pika OS first, which was really nice. Um I was gonna ask you that on Twitch. He ignored me twice, so I had to. Oh shoot! My bad, JTech. 3 months of fury. Hey, appreciate you, Smitty. Thank you very much. So, um, what question was I answering before I went off on a tangent there? Oh, Fedora has like basically all the packages that I need for the most part. DDoS. That was the word I was looking for. Arch in a general way was getting DDoS for a bit. Yes. Yeah, that's kind of why I switched away from it, and I went to PeakOS, and then I went to Fedora because Fedora has the Fedora Everything ISO installation option, so that way I can still build it from the ground up like you can on Arch, and not have to have the what do you call it? Like a desktop environment already installed. I can just install what I want from the ground up. So that's why I like Fedora. What happened to DCLI GUI? It got on the back burner, man. It just kind of fell beneath the things. I think KineticWE would be best beginner window manager because you made it so unbelievably easy to configure without going into a config file. No, 100%. That's kind of where the part of the reason why I'm doing this is because like I like using a GUI. I also like using a configuration file. So now with DCLI and using Nix on Fedora, I kind of get the best of both worlds. So I can use a GUI to configure my like entire system, but I can still get my configuration file fix with DCLI. So kind of just fits best of both worlds kind of deal there. Hey, question. Kinetic uses config file like conf? No, it does not. Unfortunately, it dumps everything into all the different K files, just like it does on KDE. So there's a million different files that end up in your .config and user and all the other places. So there's no comp file. There is a TOML file for Noctalia, but there's no comp file for Kinetic. It's best to just configure all that in the settings. A KDE or workstation, that's a question. I'm just shake a pair. KDE or workstation. As far as choosing them between, or you're trying to choose between KDE or workstation on Fedora? Yeah, I don't know. Really depends on you. If you like KDE over GNOME. How old is my install? That's a great question, PokeTech. When did I install this? This has been, because I don't think I have that in my fast fetch. No, I don't have that in my fast fetch. But it's been, I want to say like, how long have I been on Fedora? Hey, Smitty. Smitty, how long have I been on Fedora, do you know? Or JTech, somebody. Day 28 on KDE, day 30 on Boot C. Hey, there we go. Almost done with my self-imposed challenges. It's actually funny. Maybe 2 months? Since 44 came out, you're right. That's when I switched. Captain Doyle, how we doing? 4 hours and 11 minutes, that's how long? Nah, that's how long my system has been up and running today. But not in total. So over 2 months. Yeah. So it's been over 2 months for Fedora. To answer your question, who asked that question? Who asked that question? Poketech. No, I know that was your system runtime. I tried to make a. Yeah. See, I told you, Tree, that like my brain does not attend to social cues very often or very well. So like when someone's trying to make a joke, I take it extremely literal at first until I realize it's a joke, and then I'm like, oh, ha ha ha. I mean, it's a question like from Shakespeare. Oh, see, look, that's another joke I missed. So you're not the only one, Tree. I missed that joke too. That was a joke, and it flew right over my head, like every other joke in the world. Why you need to choose something if we have Arch? I mean, Arch is good. It works for you, but Fedora works better for me. To each their own. Colossus. What GPU do you use? Currently on NVIDIA and want to jump onto Fedora. Tired of Windows and massive bloat. I am using a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. That's what I'm using. I got that. I get your jokes, Smitty. Your jokes hit home for me, Smitty. I feel like I think you understand me enough. Don needs a net to catch a joke. That's hilarious. Don't wait, just go for it. Yeah, what they said. Um, I'm not sure what to call home yet. I like Fedora and KineticWE, but like I have a problem with staying on one for now. You're in your distro hopping journeys, man. It happens to all of us. I've been there. I've been there. I have a 5080 and it works great on Fedora. There we go. It's not that old. Come on, Remo. um, it's a few years old though. Just a few. Nothing crazy. So is it a big FPS drop on this GPU in Linux? I have a 5070. I'd say you're gonna, I don't know, 5070, 5080. Steve Darkside. But what's your take on that as far as drop in FPS and gaming for Colossus question? For me, it's about the same across the board, but some games, let me give an example, like Marvel Rivals, I get about like 15 um, FPS lower on uh, Linux than I do on Windows. I'm not sure what. Oh, we've been dish hopping for like 5 years. Yeah, I think you just have a problem. The FPS difference is probably 3 to 5%. That's probably a good marker there, I would say. But some games run better on Linux. No, that's also true. What layouts do you have on Kinetic? I have, go into window management and tiling. So I have master stack, stacked, center tile, and monocle. Those are the ones I have so far. If you can see that. I do plan to add dwindle probably next. I hit a tipping point yesterday when I typed file in my search bar thinking File Explorer would open. Instead was an internet search for a movie called File. That's actually hilarious. You want my version of Grid? Actually, yeah, I kind of do. That might be cool for my vertical monitor slash just in general. Because your grid one is kind of like a dwindle column. How would you explain that? Is that well? I kind of want to add columns too. Because I like center tile, but sometimes I want all my windows to be evenly spaced instead of center tile. So I might add a columns one too, and the columns might be able to help me enable scrolling eventually. What is the best way to install the latest NVIDIA drivers on Fedora? Just through the RPM Fusion repo. Erden. Oh, I'm using Arch Linux Hyperland setup with Ili Miro dot files. Is this good? Yeah, whatever works for you, man. Whatever works for you. Just use what works best for you. Or are you asking what I'm using? Is that good? I don't know. I don't know what your question is. um, are you going from dev to master? Which should I branch? Dev. Yeah, go dev first, and then I merge it to master. Just saying hi from Greece. Hey, hello. How are we doing? And thank you for making me dive into NixOS. You have ruined my life. Oh, I'm glad to be here to ruin your life. Pay your master. What's going on, Enormous Chunks? How we doing? I almost got a 580 FE because I saw it still available after I sold my 4090, but I was like, there wasn't a point of selling my 4090 if I was going to a 580. And the fact that I was gonna main Linux anyways, so I got the 9070 XT. I said, nice. I do wish I had a newer NVIDIA card. Not gonna lie to you. Grumpy needs to meet Yuki. Which one? Both of them? Yeah, that's a really good looking setup. Is it Hyperland as well? The dock looks like something from GNOME or customized KDE. So no, this is KineticWE. It's a fork of Kwin, which is what runs under KDE. So it's KDE without the plasma. I'm using Noctalia shell with it, which it comes with when you install it. And then my dock down here is actually Crystal Dock. But Noctalia does have a dock as well that you could add to. Even on Linux, I would have kept my 4090. Oh, yeah, really? Oh, cool. I might try that. Cool. Yeah, definitely give it a try. I will tell you that the main version that is stable and feature rich is the Fedora version. I would suggest using Fedora if you're going to install it. I'm from Poland. Nice. OG Yuki. Oh, okay. Sup, Chunks? Man, your name, man. That's the biggest troll of a name if I haven't heard one. Yeah, here's me completely getting off track here. Okay, my files and games are all already installed on Arch, so I might dual boot. Yeah, dual boot. Try it out. See if you like it. Maybe the AUR bit will be fixed by the time you go to install it on Arch, but I main Fedora, so that's why it works well on Fedora. So it's baby steps, man. You broke your keyboard, just specifically the super key. How mad were you when you slammed your hand down on the super key? That's the question. I kind of want an even better AMD GPU. I hope they don't disappoint on next gen. Yeah, hopefully not. No, not at all. I just randomly stopped working. We didn't hear back from the manufacturer. Oh dang. Hearing back from the manufacturer, that's horrible. Um do you find it cool that you have people all over the world possibly to watch your content? No, yeah, I do find that cool. I do find that very cool. Never tried Fedora everything, so I never build Fedora from scratch. I did on Arch and all other distros, never Fedora. Yeah, that's it's not a very common thing to do. Most people just install one of the workstation options and then go from there. But I prefer to do Fedora everything and install nothing. It's actually funny to make the ISO name Fedora everything and people use it to install nothing. One question: if I install an Arch package on Fedora with DistroBox, will it run natively or will it be like a virtual machine? I never tried that. It can. It can run natively. I don't. I've only done the whole distro box type installations on mutable or atomic distros like Bazzite. I never really tried it on just like a standard distro like Fedora. So I'm not 100% sure how they work. I installed Nix packages and they run natively though. You started from a minimal install? Yes. I installed Fedora everything ISO, which you can get um, here. So you go Fedora everything. You can install that. Not install. You flash that. And then it has pretty much the same what's it called, Anaconda thing where you can configure the desktop, but you can choose pretty much a lot more than what your regular options you get for Fedora. So you can choose like Cosmic, you can choose KDE, you can choose GNOME, you can choose a bunch of different desktop environments, or you can choose nothing. And that's where I go with, and I choose nothing, and then I install the packages that I want from the ground up. I have Parsec installed with the distro box, and it works great. Oh, well, there you go. That's the answer. That's the key. The answer to all your problems. Yeah, that was good. Fedora everything to install nothing. Pretty much. Not all games, but some, especially in Linux. AUR kind of scares me now at the fact that there is Dolphin pack or Dorphin packages that can be exploited. Yeah, you just got to be careful. I mean, any distro, any repo, anything that's not the stock one, even the stock one, you got to be careful. I mean, these are all people uploading everything. There's a person behind it all, so someone can go dark at any moment. So you just got to be careful in general. The rare thing is overblown in my opinion. Also, Arch is more than just the AUR. I 100% agree with you. Agree with you, Ertu. 100%. Um, but yeah, I mean, I guess it's the same as any other. I mean, you probably do have more in the actual regular Arch repo than a lot of other distros, but um, you can always install your packages other ways. That being Flatpak, Nix, AppImage, build from source, whatever you want. Now that I've gotten absolutely nothing done over here. Let me see where this is at. Honestly, AUR packages need to have an approval system before it gets pitched in the AUR with next package. Well, that's the thing that the AUR is community driven. So I don't think it'll ever have that where the actual Arch repos do have to be approved, which I think you have to be at a certain amount of what do they call up not upvotes? What do they call the things on AUR where they can like or upvote a package? You have to get a certain amount of those before you can actually get it into the Arch repos. Is it upvotes? Yeah, I can't remember what they actually call it on there. What is everyone go to package manager? You know what, Fulgy? Let's find out. Let's do this. There you go. Start a poll. DNF. Nix. 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 We're gonna get a lot of Nix. We're gonna get a lot of Nix. I'm sure. I should have just removed apt and put Nix in there instead. I feel like there's gonna be more Nix than apt. Oh, is DNF? DNF is moving up. Oh, Pac-Man. This is crazy watching it. Watching it move. DNF and Pac-Man are neck and neck. Other chat, your answer is well above apt. Oh, Pac-Man in the lead. Pac-Man. Oh, DNF now tied. Oh, now Pac-Man. Now DNF. DNF in the lead. Pac-Man tied. It's like a game. What? That's hilarious. I use Nix, Brew, Flatpak on all of the distros, then the default package manager for the distro. Nice. Yeah, I have to check out the whole Brew thing that you got going on there. Here I've been using Linux, and I want something that I can play games on, and also something I can work on coding wise. Was the best distro for me. It's very much hardware related, Jake. It really depends on your hardware. My suggestion is to try a few and see which ones kind of vibe with your hardware the best. Because I think for me, PeakOS was the best hardware integration to my specific hardware being on NVIDIA, but I like Fedora overall better. So it really just depends on what works for you. I can't really suggest one over the other because it's going to be different for everybody. It's very buggy for you for some reason. Oh, it looks like you have very similar specs there. Which is odd. Do you install the NVIDIA packages from the RPM Fusion repo? Or how do you have them installed? I wonder what thought process when Red Hat made their package manager DNF. I have no idea. I guess it's mostly orphan packages that has the problem though. Yeah. You can decide how many people use KineticWE with a DNF winning. Possibly. Oh yeah, DNF still winning 40%. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Uh, Frogware Libre, how we doing? How stable is KineticWE? I kind of want to test it, but I'm not sure if it's ready for daily usage. So I do use it daily. And a few other people do as well. If you're going to use it daily, I would use it on Fedora. Fedora has the best upgrade path and usage since it's on the Copper repos now. It's the most stable and feature rich. So yes, I would say it's stable there. And I game on it, I stream on it, I work on it, I do all the things, and it works pretty well. Is game modding still possible on Linux? Yes, it is. I don't do it, but I do know of people who do. Are you aware of any bugs happening when you move a window to another screen monitor using a tiling keybind shortcut? Yes, now I am aware of the bug. There is a bug there, Mango. Thank you for letting me know. Can you stream on any OS without any issues? No, not really. You can stream on Linux without problems. I mean, streaming wise, it streams them good. Uh, Hi, how are you? Good stream. Do you usually keep SE Linux active on Fedora, or do you disable it? I read quite a few disable it. I still have mine active, but I haven't really had any issues with it. I know other people have had issues with it, but I have not experienced those, to be honest with you. Try manually updating the window array by closing and minimizing an application. It usually fixes it for me. Ah, okay. Oh yeah, I get it. It's resetting the viewport for the tiling option there that is being run. So that makes sense. Thank you, Mango, but that is definitely an issue, and I will get that fixed. Can you install Game Pass games on Linux? I do not think so. You can run them through their like cloud option, but I don't think you can install them directly onto your system. Unless someone else has an answer for that, because I'm not 100% sure. I will say with my True Tile setup, I can't toggle float all or my dock and bar float in Noctalia. Oh shoot. That sounds like an issue. So you're trying to float all windows instead of just one window, and then when you do float all, everything floats, including your dock. Actually, what does that look like when your dock and bar float? That's crazy. Also, you're probably aware about logout SDM issue. Um, yes, I am aware of that. Yeah, it's wacky. They just float to random spots, and then but can you retile? Like, well, is it tiling? Can you like unfloat them and put them back, or are they just like forever gone until you restart your session? Oh, you can. Okay. The cloud streaming is the only way. Oh, Superberg answered your question. Tornado Barrage, KDE or GNOME? What am I using? KDE or GNOME? I'm using neither. I'm using KineticWE. But if I had to choose between KDE or GNOME, I would choose KDE, if that's your answer, if that's your question. So I've been wanting to get this question answered forever. I have a RTX 3080. I've been wanting to run either Pop!OS or run Bazzite. I just want to know if I'd be fine with an RTX GPU on either distro. Yes, you would. I had a 3050. I used both on Bazzite and Pop!OS, and it worked just fine. That was my laptop. Oh, now, wait, is Pac-Man winning now? Oh, no. Yeah, Pac-Man's winning now on the poll. Pac-Man in the lead. What do people have with using Pop!OS? I don't know. This is pretty popular, I guess. Dark Knight, how we doing? Welcome in, man. I recently tried Cashy as my first Prime OS. Surprised that everything I use to run on Windows runs so much better on Cashy, including games. That was 7 months ago. Cashios for the win. No doable. Hey, there we go. Yeah, Cashy does great with a lot of different hardware, so I'm not surprised at all. That's what's up though. The only reason I still do boot Cashy OS is Windows Game Pass, sadly, though there was news. Use NixOS with Nix. There we go. That's always good. All right. Now that I'm all caught up, I'm going to continue to not fix, but redo my system here. Frogware Libre, since we're talking about gaming, what do you think about Impulse so far? I love it. I think it's really good. I think it has potential, but I have a slight fear that it's not going to make it because I don't know. I don't know the longevity of it. Like, what can they really do to keep people actually playing it? Hey Don, I realize DMS is not in Fedora packages for Neri. I think it's in the Terra repo, is it not? Fedora or DMS? Or you might have to install it through the Copper, the Hyperland Copper. What's it called? It's like a Lion Heart Copper. Packages. So they have Noctalia in here. Oh, I lied. Just Noctalia. They do not have DMS in here. No, you're right. So how do you install DMS on Fedora? Oh, they have their own copper. It's right here. They have their own. Yeah, you're right, R2. Sorry, I went on a tangent there. What other distros you recommend for an RTX GPU? I mean, Cashy's good. PeakOS is good. Bazzite's good. That's about as far as I go. Plus, the snapshot system in Cashy is a lifesaver saved me once while I was trying to mess around. Never realized how much freedom I missed with Windows. Yeah, no, that's true. Next thing you know, Don is going to switch to SteamOS. Yeah, I don't know about all that, especially with an NVIDIA GPU. That's not happening anytime soon. Definitely not anytime soon. I feel like the NVIDIA thing is not as bad as people think. It's not as bad as people think. No. Um, you're just gonna run into more issues than you do with AMD. That's pretty much it. Let me. Where's my? Are you wanted to change your current graphics out with AMD in the future? Possibly, yeah. Or I've never actually built my own PC. I've built many PCs, but never my own, which is crazy, right? So I might want to build my own and and have AMD in the next one. Don, I got you 100%. Oh yeah, no, you're my first go-to if I run into issues. Best believe it, Smitty. Best thing about Linux is RAM usage. Yeah, I can agree with that. Oh, where is my? Where did I add that? It was in CLI. Next packages. One question, by the way, how do you protect yourself on Linux? I have hardened my system, firewalls, proxies, etc. SE Linux. Anything else? I know a dedicated antivirus software that ain't needed on Linux, but any ideas? Oh, I mean, just what you're doing, really. Um, I don't know. I don't know. um, Don, are you from USA or Canada? USA. Is our Marchi old now? I mean, Marchi's been around for what? Like a year now, right? Or am I wrong? I feel like it's been like a year. Pac-Man is winning the poll. I used a Marchi twice, I think. If you really want to get top security, look into Ep- Epermal environments. Marchi was your first distro. Oh, nice. Yeah, I installed a Marchi before it was a distro. It was Marchi is owned by 37 Signal. Yeah, it's by the same guy. DHH, I think is he goes by. DNF seems to work for me with no issues. Yeah, DNF is great. I absolutely love DNF. I think DNF is definitely my favorite. And then next, and then Pac-Man. Let me do no. Mr. Link R. New here. You're on Hyperland, right? No, I am not. I'm using KineticWE, which it's like a fork of KWin, which runs underneath of KDE. So basically, I have KDE without the plasma. It's running Noctalia shell up here at the top, but I have like native tiling. And you can still set everything through the KDE settings app. So you can still do your monitors here. I just recently got power management working. Do all your shortcuts and stuff from here. So it's like having a tiling window manager. That's why I call it a window environment, because it's like a mixture of a desktop environment and a window or a tiling window manager. I was confused to why I see KDE settings app, but looked nothing like Plasma. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a hybrid DE setup. Yeah, that is essentially what it is. What if Arch packages could be installed on Nix and vice versa? Would that be cool? So Nix can be installed on Arch, and Arch with a distro box can be installed on Nix. So kind of, but I mean, you can see here I'm installing Nix packages on Fedora, so Nix can really be installed anywhere. XBPS is my package manager. Let's see, we got a void user in the house. How we doing? Postal. You having a good day so far? Could I use Noctalia v5 on Neri, or is it still in beta? No, you can still you can use it on Neri. I was using it on Mango before I switched to this. You can even use Nix on Mac. Oh, nice. I didn't know that. No, that's cool. Nix is basically can be used anywhere. Honestly, just go for app images flat packs. They are basically the X's for Linux. Um, I wanted to like Void. I still might like Void. I don't know. I need to try it again. It's been it's been a while. Let's go here. Where do I put DCLI? Is that a CLI? That's a CLI tool. So those are essentials. But then we got like, what do we call I got things like the cursor that can go under themes. Let's go cursors. What are your PC specs, by the way? My PC specs are here. I am using a 13th gen Intel Core i7 and a 4070 RTX. And I have 32 gigs of RAM. Let's do a distro poll, see which one is more popular. Sick, I might check out Kinetic. I've been on KDE Plasma since 43 when I switched to full time from Windows, but highly jealous of Hyperland Rices, but been too comfortable. This might be perfect for you, man. Yeah, if you're on 44, you can just install it through the Copper repo that I have, and you can install it alongside KDE. It will embed the tiling and the functionality into KDE as well, because it does conflict with the regular KWin package. Can't have both, but you can't have both, but I chose not to have both. Oh yeah, we can do a distro poll. Let's do that. Let's how do I stop this one? Well, first let's see who won. Pac-Man won. Pac-Man is the winner for that. And then we're gonna start a new poll. What distro should I? This is always the hard part because I can only put 4 options in there, and there's so many more distros. I do distro bases. What distro base do you use? Distro base. Art. Wait, Debian, Arch, Fedora, other. Okay. Debian, Arch, Fedora, other. Put in chat. Ready, set, go. You should be a lot more. I agree. We should be a lot more options. I found KDE with tiling to be really the best in terms of dialog boxes, and other tilers seem to force tiling on everything. Yeah, no, I agree with that. I think it makes it more cohesive and feels like a more legitimate system. Next, by the way, there we go. Whole gasoline. How we doing? 36 viewers. Nice. 38 now. I think we hit like 48 at one point. It was up there. But Void is independent at 48 for high so far. Nice. There we go. So Arch is just leading the way here. And yeah, everybody who is watching, don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I will be gaming on Twitch here in a little bit. I'm gonna start doing these I'll break these up and basically have a more laid back podcast style streams in the beginning, and then I'll switch to gaming afterwards. That way, this gives everybody a chance to come in. The people that don't like gaming, they can still come in and talk Linux, and then I can switch to gaming after that. But I will be gaming over on Twitch, mainly there. So make sure you follow on Twitch if you want to catch the gaming bit. Yeah, Arch is just kind of crushing it right now. Debian only at 8 or 9%, Arch 55%, Fedora 18%, and other 18%. Thank you, Smitty. Don't forget to like. My question is for the poll. What distro do you want at the moment and what you call home? Oh, I see. What distro do you use at the moment? Or what you call home? That is probably a better way to do it. What are we planning? What are we playing on Twitch? I typically play a lot of shooters. So like the finals, rivals, Impulse, Overwatch. Might play some Overwatch today. I've been liking Overwatch as of lately. I wonder what's bringing everyone into the stream today. Probably because it's not straight up gaming focus. I think that's why. But more people, because when you make it just gaming, then it kind of cuts out a good chunk of people. Hey, nice, Remo. I got to connect it to my big TV. Like to relax playing. Presage CashOS is single-handedly the best Arch intro for Linux users. CashOS is definitely really good. I won't put that past you there. Hold on. Isn't Linux problems gaming online? No, it just depends on the game. Some games do not allow Linux for anti-cheat, but a lot of games do. Like I said, all these are competitive shooters. The finals, Marvel Rivals, Overwatch, Impulse, and all of them I play strictly on Linux. And I wouldn't say only games with anti-cheat. It depends if those anti-cheat games support Linux, because all of the games that it's mentioned do have anti-cheat systems, but they support Linux. Did you get anything on the summer sale or not your thing? No, I did not get anything on the summer. Well, did I? No, I don't think I did. So anti-cheat, or wait, so you can cheat on, wait, so you can cheat on Linux online games? That's also no good, to be honest. No. I think you're misunderstanding what I'm saying. I mean, you can really cheat on anything, but it's actually it's easier to cheat on Windows than it is on Linux. But a lot of game makers do not support Linux when it comes to anti-cheat systems. When you get a chance, can you accept me as a contributor to Kinetic? I have a PR. I may have a PR soon. Of course, man. I will give you the power, all the power you need. Just gonna move this over yonder, though, because if anyone wants to change my wallpaper while I don't have anything over there, you're welcome to over on Twitch. Let me go to. Where do I? Oh, I'm not even signed in. Might help if I was signed in. Hey, JTech, there we go. Oh, why is that one so blurry? Oh, I used to use this one on my main monitor. JTech locked in. There's a 1 minute cooldown. Oh, that's one way to get around it. Yeah, Fortnite won't run on Linux. Are you running Neary? No, I'm running KineticWE. Um, I can show you here in a second. Hold on. Need healing. Hi, asked on your GitLab, but just wanted to ask generally, are there any plans to supporting init systems in your DC Live service management? I did see I saw your the work item or issue, whatever you put in on there. I I didn't have any plans until you mentioned it, to be honest with you. I didn't really think that far into it because I have primarily just been using System D, and I'm on Fedora, so System D is what I've been using. So, but I'm not opposed to making that work. If you don't use KineticWE, you're doing your PC a disfavor. That's hilarious. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was adding where do I go do that? I'm going to manage members. Um, access request, grant access. You're in there, JTech. Welcome. Can the same DCLI dot files work on both Arch and Fedora? Dot files, yes. But if you have packages set in those dot files, no. Because the package that I have set in whoops. For instance, this one. Well, I guess these are going to be Neary, not Neary, Fedora based because I have my config. Oh, my host file. Sorry, I have my host set to DNF, so that's what's going to keep it using DNF as the. So I guess you could switch your host to Pacman, but as soon as you do that, some of the package names may not be the same. So that's the issue you would run into. Penguin. I think you might like Gothic Remake. Check that out one day. All right. Yeah, I'll check it out. Jules is preaching the gospel. That's actually really funny. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I already did that. Did that. All right. You guys are gonna have to give me one quick second. I'm gonna go check on my son real quick. He has not been feeling well today. So I'm gonna go check on him, and I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, I'm back. What I miss? Nothing. How old is your kid? He's 13, 14. No, 12, 13, 13. Um, what? Better respond to something. Is there a way to switch package list when you change host packages? Not really. No, I have not implemented anything like that, unfortunately. I mean, you can change your configuration to use like DNF or Pacman or apt, but it's not going to actually change what you're using. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. Um, I have to think about that one. Remo, my son is 7. I got $2, 9, and 4 as well. Just playing games in the morning when they sleep. Nice. There we go. Yeah, I have 4 kids. Got 4 of them. Thankfully, there are some great devs like our creators in finals work really well on both good games. Same with Marvels. Yeah, no, I agree. All those games work really well. What's the cheat code for Infinite, buddy? Man, if only. If only. Could you change your DCLI package manager to Nix? So I made it so Nix is supported in DCLI. So Nix is an option that you can use to configure it. So what you're looking at is the Nix language here as far as what I'm configuring my DCLI configuration in. And you can add like Flakes and Home Manager into DCLI as well. So you can manage your Nix in DCLI. Well, I feel so far behind. I'm 24, almost 25 years old, or next year, and I need to start making moves. Yeah, make those moves early, man, because once you get older, it's harder. I had my first kid at 25. Pretty sure I was 21, 22, one of those. Can I contribute to DCLR? Yeah, man, it's open source. Go for it. Fork it, do a PR, whatever you want. Well, don't say anything, but I'm proposing my GF next year in the summer. Hey, nice. There we go. Looking at. Wait, you're kidding? How are you gonna get? How are you gonna make that a joke, man? I was actually like excited for you. Well, not kidding. Wait. Okay, now I'm lost. I'm 100% lost. 100% lost. Um, Nothing is more rewarding than kids. Yes, I do agree with that. I'm doing what I say I am doing, but my GF doesn't watch streams like this. Okay, so there's a very slim chance so she will see this. So I think we're good. Marry a sugar daddy, sugar mama. Just take the money instead. Not a bad plan. First kid at 35. Miss is the same age as me. She says they are all mine, so I feed them. Well, there you go. Tomorrow she's like, so I've been watching this Linux stream, and yeah, the one time, can I fork a GitLab repo from GitHub? Or no, you gotta fork it on GitLab first, and then you can upload it to GitHub, the fork, and still keep the upstream um, pointed to GitLab. My GF is not really tech savvy, but when she uses my laptop, she's a DNFer. Why does forking sound dirty? We did a term. We need a new term for that. Yeah, it is. I don't know. It's a little bit weird. Um, but I do think I'm going to get into some gaming here in a second. So those of you over on the YouTube, if you're into gaming, go over and follow me on Twitch because that's where I will be doing my gaming today. Tree, what's going? Oh, you want to play? Possibly. Depends what game I play first, though. I don't know yet. I don't know what game I'm playing, but yeah, it's very possible. Um, so yeah. So does this work? See if this is gonna work. Go tune in over there, and then we will continue gaming. LFS is too bad. I've done it a few times, as well as BFLS. What did I miss? LFS. What is LFS? You guys know I'm not good with acronyms. You can't do this to me. Linux from scratch. See, type it out, people. Type it out. Do not do that. Have fun gaming. I will not be around. No Twitch account, but maybe here soon. Oh, okay. Yeah, get Twitch, man. It's fun over there. It's a fun time over there. How about this? What I'll do is if where are we at right now? Where are we at? Stream. We're at if we can get to 35 likes, I'll keep the YouTube stream open while I game. Ready, set, go. Guys, stop working around. That's hilarious. We're at 29. We're climbing. Since when did you stop using GitHub? My DCLI has always been on GitLab. I have not used GitHub in a really long time. Where is the likes meter? Oh, you don't see it? It's right above my hands. It says 28 right now, but I can see it down here. It's at 31 likes. It doesn't update like right away, but it's over here in this vicinity. Oh, duh! I just know. How did you miss it? Let's see. 32 likes. Oh, 33 likes. Sounds like you guys want to keep it open. Linux Frames, how we doing? Welcome in. 34 likes. One more like and I'll keep it. Hey, Remo over on the Twitch. Appreciate you. That's my first time on Twitch. Nice. Make sure you follow so you can tune in. One like, come on. 35. There we go. We hit 35. I'll stay. Dex is here. DexMex Tex. How we doing? How we doing, DexMex Tex? What are we playing first? I kind of want to play Overwatch first. I'm not going to lie to you. I've been liking Overwatch as of lately. Oh, where's my controller? I went to see your skills long time ago. My friend had second place in CS. Oh, wow. I'm not that good, but we'll see. Do you have an MPV conf? No, I do not. Strawberry Kitten, how we doing? Welcome in. How are we doing this fine evening? Thanks for staying. No problem. You guys got me to the like, so here we are. Here we are. Let's go to the practice range real quick. Make sure. So I'm pretty sure I'm pre-caching shaders right now. Good. Well, welcome in. Let's go with, I think it's this chick that I like.
I always deliver.
Yeah, it's still pre-caching shaders. That's why it's all jumpy right now.
I always get my mark. Double kill.
Gotta give it a second. Adam, welcome in. How we doing, man? It's getting better already.
Stood a chance. Double kill.
Getting better already. Let's get this out of my way. Doing good, doing good. Nice. Glad you're doing good. Overwatch needs to warm up like an old Chevy truck. Pretty much. That's pretty much how it works. It's getting there. It's warming on up.
Double kill.
Once my CPU usage goes down, then we know we're good.
Sonsgefickers. Quadruple kill. Minor perk unlocked. Double kill. Easy enough. Triple kill. Quadruple kill. I'm notorious for a reason.
Drops. Oh wait. Let me I gotta switch the thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you got, okay. Oops, didn't even press that.
Hunt it down.
60-second advert.
Oh,
Yuki,
cool.
how we doing? Welcome, welcome.
Double kill. Double kill.
All right. I think it's moving good now. So we should be good. Game? Question mark? Oh, it worked. I missed the best part because I was sleeping. Dang it, Yuki. What are you doing? Why are you asleep? You gotta wake up. No, I'm just playing. Hope you had a good rest. You should have made sure I'm awake. No, you're right. It is my fault. I apologize, Yuki. I do. Next time I will ping you first before I start streaming and make sure you're awake. I'm sorry. Oh, you forgive me? Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna send Smitty to wake you up.
A map. Now arriving at Ilios.
I'm small and fragile, please no. Drop elbows and people sleeping. Do it, man. Do it. I got pointy elbows. Bro. It's not gonna be a good look.
Never fall.
Stick together. Let me take the hit.
Alright, this chick in this game is broken. They need to nerf this chick right here. For sure.
Resolved. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
Looks sturdy.
We got this. It's in the bag.
A taste of
Hey, nice, Smitty.
The objective is now active.
Oh, you almost got me.
Fix yourself.
Heal me, heal me. Thank you.
Roughing him up.
Misery made manifest.
Why isn't this person dying? Why are they dying?
Need a minute to recharge. Let us end this.
Carried on the wind.
Almost dead, it's almost dead.
Charge up.
Are they not dying? Oh my, bro.
Ginger protects you.
Gimme. I do not now Overwatch, but it's a hero shooter, right?
Guess I gotta be better.
What's Sierra's role? DPS.
They want this point?
That's her
They'll have
role.
to go through me.
Oh, you do not know Overwatch? Yes. It's a hero shooter, and Sierra's role is DPS. But her gun, like, auto aims, basically.
Let the kitsune guide you. Anchors up.
So that's why she's kind of broken.
I think for real. Surrender to my will.
Where you going?
Better watch yourself.
Oh, what? Yo, I just got sniped. Have you tried Team Fortress 2? I've not. I've heard good things about it, though.
Okay, running it back. Nerf this.
Struck down.
Make sure you don't get mad enough to make the controller scream at you. Nah, I shouldn't do that. I don't rage quit, Gabe, so we should be good.
I'm here, Hanzo.
She did.
Okay.
Oh,
In my reach.
Firing shot. Thanks. There they are. Eyes on the sky.
they're all dead. They're all dead. Look at that triple kill. Told you. Told you they're all dead.
Ash before.
Feels good, huh?
Isn't keyboard and mouse better than pad? I use gyro, so I'm still using a mouse. So as I move my controller, it moves the mouse as if I'm using a mouse.
You're all good. Let the kitsune guide you.
Poison.
Anchors out.
Need a moment to recharge. Just a
Helden sterben nicht.
He's trying to get me. He's trying to get me.
Setting shot.
A cure for all the
Go
days.
get him.
It's late here. I have homework, so I'm off. All right, in it. Have a good one. Appreciate you.
My ultimate ability is charged.
Let's shake things up.
Oh. Throw me, throw me, throw me. Oh, what? Oh my, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead.
Let's kick this off. Now go get it.
Don, I need a pass to go do some work stuff. All right. You got the Don pass. You're good to go.
Think I need
As long as you come back.
Positioning anchor.
First round lost.
Oh, we failed.
Complete.
We failed.
Nerf this.
Score 0-1.
I play more RPG, Rogue, and Souls-like gamer. Nice. Yeah, I do like
Don't take it personally
rogue
when I get
like
the most
games.
kills, okay?
I don't typically play them on stream though. Those are more like my sit back and relax Steam Deck type games. You know what I mean? Weird game, candy and guns. I mean, what better can you get? You need candy and guns.
2, 1. Round 2. Capture the objective.
Don't be down. We still got this.
Alright, we still got this though.
Receive my aid. Shouldn't have put your head there.
The objective is now
Hey, they brought one back.
Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, we're dead, we're dead, we're dead. We're dead. Oh, we're alive, we're alive, we're alive.
To an end.
Feels good, huh? Oh, hell yeah. You're all good.
I'm dead, I'm dead.
Setting a hold.
Get the health, get the health. We're alive, we're alive.
Back on my feet.
Let vengeance consume you!
They've got numbers on us. Trevor incoming.
Oh, we're cornered, we're cornered. I'm dead, I'm dead. Just staying in the health pack, staying in the health pack.
That's feeling better.
You cannot escape me.
Wakateki wo kurau!
Oh, get away from that.
Quake on the way.
Oh shoot, of course she just got back in her.
Nerf this. Drone deployed.
Oh, let's try my... In there.
Have a good one.
Oh.
朱雀展示. Eyes on the sky.
Oh, dang it. Didn't get anybody. I love the Demon Souls on PS5. Oh, nice.
Need to rethink some things.
Let the Kitsune guide you.
Mr. Garrison comes to mind when I hear Gyro.
Step right up.
I understand. I love relaxing after work, cool stories,
Surrender to my will.
and wonderful worlds. Yeah, no, 100%.
Aw, don't look so glum.
Your end is within my reach.
Let vengeance consume you!
Oh, that's our ult. I'll take it.
Send all you
I must
want.
recharge. Hold on.
Them down.
Misery made nothing.
Heals, 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 heals.
Tracker in place.
Oh, got her.
Pain is inevitable. I cannot hear you yet.
We got it, we got it, we got it. Still felt fallbacks from 8-factor authentication. Just hit me down.
Set up a drone.
You cannot escape me. The price of progress.
Like cherry blossom. Wakateki wo kurau!
Oh shoot, I'm dead, I'm dead. So dead. So dead.
round 2.
Oh, we got it, we got it.
Complete.
I gotta go get ready for work. Enjoy the stream. Appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good one. Oh, Spin's gotta go too. Have a going, man. You might be back.
Change the world by following all the rules.
I bear my burdens as best I can.
What's this chick doing? Just dancing,
5, 4,
getting a groove on.
3, 2, 1. Round 3. Capture the objective.
I'm here.
Last round. This is where it counts.
Overwatch. Yep. Good old Overwatch.
Hear my bell. Let's shake things up.
Need help? Need help?
The objective is now
Thank you for the heals.
I'm on the objective. You should swing by too.
Got her. Got her.
Anyone in?
Pain is inevitable.
Enemies back up. That's no good.
Got her. Oh, missed.
Quake on the way. Darn it.
Ooh, got him.
Easy. Roughing him up.
I don't know what he was doing.
Coming, baby. Let the kitsune guide you. Eyes on the sky. Tracking.
Oh, that's gonna hit me.
Let vengeance consume you!
火雨焚天.
Oh, shoot. Yep, I'm dead. Underwatch?
火雨焚天，让你燃起来。Okay, running it back. Anchors out. You have no excuses now.
Nerf this.
Take cover. That'll be handy.
Get out of the way.
Initializing system.
Step right up.
Shows it. Shows it. She's dead.
Let's shake things up.
Need help. Need help.
You cannot escape.
Oh, thank you.
Right there when I need you.
Helden sterben nicht.
We gotta get on the point, guys, in order to win. Oh my.
Careful, we're outnumbered.
Jeez.
Guess I gotta be better.
New strike.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Why are you winning, son?
Oh my goodness, you scared me.
I'm with you.
Warrior
Like a raging.
Bro, I did not expect another voice.
Let the kitsune guide you.
You came out of nowhere.
Anchors out.
Activating
They've got numbers on us.
Oh,
Gonna
what
make
happened?
like dodgy noises and like clicks and clicks and stuff.
defeat.
You would have soon noticed.
Yeah. I guess the game value kind of draw it. Oh my god.
Drowned. Salad, salad, salad.
It's Smitty left, so number 7. Drowned it out. That's what I was trying to say.
Eyes on the sky.
Oh, I got to play the game. Look at that.
Good work, Dorothy.
Oh, everything's logged out again. Let's work out what's going on there.
So is that Chromium doing that to you?
I think so, yeah. But I think it's almost certainly a setting. that I've messed about with.
Yeah, probably. I do remember there was a Chromium-based browser that did do that to me. I can't remember if that was Brave or
For the love.
something else though. I can't remember.
Oh, my head hurts so much.
What do you think you got going on?
I don't know. I think it might be sinuses or something. I've got a headache. Like everything's hot.
Interesting.
It's either that or it could be a dehydration or something.
Yeah.
It's been quite warm today, and I've not really drunk much.
Yeah. We just started today though.
No, I started yesterday actually.
Oh.
So,
Okay. Interesting. Always drink water, Yuki Love says.
Yes. Yes.
You're right, Yuki. 100% right. So you got any games in you, or are you just coming to say hey?
What are you playing? Overwatch.
Playing Overwatch right now. No pressure.
Well,
no pressure.
So, what I was going to ask first, actually, was,
Okay.
have you made any more changes to Master since we last spoke?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to push to Master first, and then once I've done that, I'll jump in.
Okay. That works for me.
Sound good?
Yes, yes. As I drink a can of Monster and a cup of coffee. That's a horrible combination, even though I also have an energy drink to my left that you can't see off stream. To your friend, get well soon.
Thanks.
That's LGL, Linux Gamer Life. Another Linux streamer, content creator, extravaganza-nator.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Words are not my friend, if you guys haven't noticed. I mean, bean monster, it's both. Oh, true. You could get a bean monster. Got the energy and the bean. I like black coffee, so I don't like it in Monster. You know, I didn't pin you to be a black coffee kind of person, but there you go. Something I didn't know about you.
Nice. Hey. I can't see chat at the moment though, because I'm knee deep in Z editor.
Yeah.
Telling it to finally remove the Codebird link. It's just been there since version 1.
Nice. JTech is he was planning on contributing and adding a new layout.
Nice.
So I said go ahead and do the PR and we're gonna merge it into dev first, of course. So I can test it out and then
Let me know.
yeah. Linux connoisseur, I would say. That's a better word for it. Thank you, Postal. Postal.
All of them.
All of them. How do you pronounce words? I use oat milk and hot coffee and mostly to cool it off, but I mean bean hits good cold. Interesting. Very interesting. Hey, guess how far I got in about a 2.5 hour time span in configuring my DCLI?
About 2, maybe 3%.
Yeah, it's about. I moved maybe what 10 packages? Not even 10, I don't think. I got a little more organization going. I did add all of the modules into my host file, so that was an accomplishment in itself. So everything
Nice.
syncs good. I didn't finish I was trying to get all the CLI packages done. I moved like 8 of them.
Excellent.
And that's about as far as I got. Now I was slacking hard. Why? You weren't... No, you're not supposed to chime in.
I know what it was. It was that the pesky chat was putting you off, wasn't they? They were kept interrupting and.
Yeah,
Gotta
they 100% were interrupting
totally.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's quite good though. Hey, we peaked at 48 viewers concurrent.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, that's very good. I am drink mate tea lemonade. It is very common here. Have a lot of caffeine. It's like a bitter energy drink. Interesting. Tea and lemonade. Actually, limeade. Tea and lime. Oh, that sounds amazing. I like tea and lemonade, but tea and limeade is even better. I'm on Void, but I wouldn't recommend it. The poll asked me to say it here. The poll did ask you to say it there, and you did the right thing. So I appreciate you. Why don't you recommend Void? I'm curious. Hey, Monosec, how we doing? Will you package the Frankenstein at some point, AUR, etc.? It's on Copper for Fedora currently. I'm really trying to get it to a really good point, and then I'll possibly add it to AUR and I don't know what I'm gonna add to on Debian, but I don't know. Debian might just not get it. But Nix is definitely on the to-do list, and probably AUR too eventually. But it's not a high focus right now. But I like how you call it Frankenstein. That's actually hilarious. Yeah, Sephiroth Cyber. Why wouldn't you recommend Void?
7, dude.
What'd you say?
That's Final Fantasy 7. Sephiroth.
Oh. You know what? That was like 10 years ago.
10? And the rest? We're talking 95, maybe 96, maybe 97, maybe 98.
Well, okay, more than 10 years. Well, my point is that it's old.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't remember that. That was my point to that. Yeah, I obviously got my ears wrong there, but if you stitch a few parts together and they are alive, what else to call it than Frankenstein? You're not wrong. AUR is what I'm waiting for. My setup is whack. Yours is definitely Frankenstein at the very moment, but yeah, I just got some dependency hell to work out on AUR because they package things very differently than Copper does, or not Copper, but DNF does on Fedora.
Okay, I now have power settings.
Nice. There we go. Power is alive. Is mine still working? Yes, it is. And you got the Noctalia settings in there, which you might have to remove some of your command line ones and add them into the Noctalia ones now.
Oh, okay.
Because like wallpaper pickers in there, theme mode, toggle launcher, toggle Noctalia settings, all that's in there. Show dock, hide dock.
Where is that sit? It's on.
Go to keyboard and then
Window
shortcuts, and then it's in applications. It should show Noctalia.
Keyboard shortcuts.
For me, it's right
Is it
under
power
LGL
session?
emoji picker.
No, I don't have it yet. Yeah.
Oh, really? It's not under applications?
Dolphin, emoji, Kitty, console, Krunner, Kwrite, LGL emoji picker, LGL simple color, spectacle system settings.
Wait, so how'd you get the power stuff, but not the...
Got refresh Noctalia. Oh, that's my refresh button, isn't it? Yeah.
What the heck? You see where it's at on mine, right? Right here?
Hang on, let me come to your stream. 1 moment, please.
I'll hold, don't worry.
Huh. Nope, it's not there. Should I add it? Should I try and add it? Did you have to add it?
No, I didn't have to add it. It added it through the build.
KCM.
Yes.
Is
Yeah.
it a separate KCM? Yeah.
Yeah. It's baked in, so it should install on build, on compile. 10 years, 30 years. Who's counting? Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? How are we doing, Chloe? Thank you for making that remark because it made me feel better about myself. Appreciate you. But yeah, that's weird you got that, but not this, because I added Noctalia stuff before I added the power management stuff, and then you got the power management stuff before you got the Noctalia stuff. What's up with that?
There's a regression as well. Meta scroll
No, don't do
now
it. Don't say it.
drags the thing. Drags it with it.
That it
Me?
doesn't do that for me. And so you just updated the copper, you installed the copper. Did you also have an RPM? What happens when you do the RPM over the copper? Does it affect anything?
No, what I do is I'll grab from master, build the RPM locally with the right version, test it, and if it works, then I'll push it up to the COPR.
Gotcha.
But I didn't test it, and I've just pushed it to the COPR. So, oops.
We missed a crucial development
I'm
cycle.
blaming my brain.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Wait, hang on. Yeah, so it's not even doing. Oh wait, so it doesn't do Steam. What's going on? Oh,
What is the difference between
I'll
AUR
look into
then
it.
or Flatpak? AUR builds it from source. It's a more of a native package, and Flatpak is built on like a words, containerized environment. Because I had to force install newer package like GCC and use templates of unofficial repos from GitHub all the time. I see. I use Void too. Never had to install newer GCC. What did you need it for? I ghost read that because that's not at all what it says. It says for what you needed it. And I said, what did you need it for?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Translate it.
It's fine.
Well, I'm in the game.
Oh, he's in the game. He's in the game. He's in the
Do
game.
a couple.
He's in the
So,
game. How do I add?
Who was I playing last time?
Why do you still not show as people?
Probably because I'm offline. But then again, I can see you. There you go.
That's weird. Let me preferred remove. It says remove friend. As
You
if
don't do that.
Well, I know, but I thought I had to add you as a friend, and that was the reason why you didn't show. But like, you don't show when you're showing, or when you should be showing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I won't show because I'm offline.
But I'm offline too. Like Steam offline or BattleNet offline.
Yes, Steam offline. I've not done anything with BattleNet. I've only gone through Steam.
Okay, but I'm Steam offline, and I'm showing.
Oh, don't know then.
I don't know. We'll table that for another conversation. Someone VD1KQ. Welcome in. How are you doing? What Proton are you using? I'm using Proton Experimental.
And I'm using none, so 10.4.
I like to live on the edge, and LGO lives right beside the edge.
Yeah, because I always forget to change it.
Yeah. He can see the ledge, but he can't. He doesn't, live on it.
Who was I?
You liked Ember. Ember is the name, I think.
Oh, it's just so many of them.
Emery.
Emery. Well, is that damage or support?
Damage, right in the middle, next to that ghost-looking thing.
Okay, customize. I've got no monies. I'm poor.
So there's a way to make your person, like your main person. Because I had it at Bastion for the longest time. So like it automatically chooses Bastion at the beginning of every match, but I don't know how I did that.
Okay.
Oh well.
Vote for a map.
English is not my main language, sorry. Oh no, you're good.
It's not Don's either.
Yeah, yeah. Words are not my main language.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Bit different. English words.
Yeah. Any type of words, doesn't matter what language it said.
It's like both of us. All the words are there, but they're often just not in the right order.
Exactly. Isn't that called dyslexia?
I think so.
I've never been diagnosed, but I'm pretty sure I have it. I see that. Thanks for the answer. It is Linux, but I was interested. Why explicit, not recommend void? Oh. Want to download Overwatch not so long ago. How is it working on a Proton expansion? Well, it's working great. You got to let it brew for a minute. It's got to pre-compile some shaders in the beginning. But I normally just go to practice range, shoot around, and then once it works itself out, it's great.
I always deliver.
Someone needs a hand.
We'll make it out alive. Maybe even.
I actually, LJL, I actually removed all of those other things I had running in the command line. No, command. What do you call the things you add to a Steam game?
One.
Oh, launch.
Launch commands. Yeah. I removed all the launch commands, but Steam Deck 1 and the Game Scope, and it's been running fine.
Oh, nice.
I thought I had to have all those because that's what the internet told me.
Right. Okay. What do we got to do here?
I think we gotta push the escort the payload.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Objective unlocked.
It's not looking good.
The enemy took a robot.
Oh, he was almost dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, I got her.
You got in my way.
I need heals.
I don't think I got heals. Oh.
Where'd he go? Kill him.
Barricades on the move.
It's 1v6, guys. Kill him. Nice. I hear somebody. Hear footsteps. Oh, by me? What?
Thanks for patching me up.
Oh, you're one tap. Nice. Thanks for your answer. I'll give it a try then. We'll test on CashUS Proton too. Yeah. I mean, that's normally the default on CashUS, right? Or I don't even know if you're on CashUS. But I assume you were because you said that. Oh, that's a protection thing. We'll take it.
Forward spawn activated.
Bailing you out.
Dead. Oh shoot.
Oh, next to us.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm getting healed. I'm alive.
Got the robot. Let's change that.
Oh jeez. Nice. Oh, I'm so dead. Yep. That's it for me.
I can't shake me that easily.
Oh wow.
Did someone call?
This ends now.
Need to get on the point, yeah?
Yep. I'm coming. shoot, whole team. I'm dead. Okay. I was all alone. I shouldn't have pushed. It's my fault. We do have... Oh wait, we only have one healer. Maybe I should go healer. Actually, I'm gonna try her again.
We can't let them keep
I
pushing.
carry my burdens alone.
Tell me what my Q is. I'm doing it.
Engaged. Roadhog.
Vector.
Nu Vangada!
Enemy team.
Wait, you're flying now.
Yep.
Time to put a stop to their efforts.
This is a healing payload.
Oh shoot.
Whole team.
Yep. Let me get out. I'm dead. Yep. That's cool. Yep. Ran all the way back just to die again. It's not a big deal, but... What dude is that? Oh, that's that one guy.
I have to stay focused.
Alright, we're going in as a team here. We gotta stick together.
My pylon is down.
The pylon is broken. Healing pylon. Oh, shoot.
Healing pylon
Oh, why'd I put it there? Oh my god. Okay, that's not the character for me. We're just gonna table that as not the character for me. We're gonna go back to this guy.
You know what they say? Just go with the flow.
Deploying rock unit.
Alright, now we're about to cook. Watch.
Cascading!
Let's shake things up.
You can count on me.
We got this, we got this.
Totally. Oops. Oh, nice nade.
Oh, shoot.
I cannot heal you yet.
They took our guy!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Like 4 of them came around the corner.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Moira.
Oh, shoot.
I'll protect you.
Minor perk unlocked.
They're on me!
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Personality, Echo Online.
Oh my god, rule 3 out of 4 game.
Surrender.
What?
Writing personality.
That's not gonna stop me!
What do you mean by that?
Think we're outnumbered.
All right, Treddy. Let's get a move on.
Oh my god.
Need a refresher?
60 seconds remaining.
Nu Vangada!
Riptide!
Surrender to my will.
Oh, shoot.
Area denial.
I'll rinse you off!
Let's stop them in their tracks.
Reverse the tide!
Blocking satellite vector.
Major perk unlocked.
Countdown to definitive victory.
They won't know what hit them.
Oh, what?
10 seconds remaining.
Cascading!
Oh, we gotta get on the point there. So far away.
Not on
Oh.
my watch.
Recapture the robot immediately. We must stay with the robot to win.
Need a refresher?
Victory.
Did we win?
Oh, we won.
Yay, let's go.
Surprise. Wasn't looking too good at first.
Play of the game.
Thank you, Tree. Appreciate you. How
I
come
think
I
I've got
never,
one more in me.
never end up on here? No, that's fine. I probably only got one or two myself because I'm starting to feel the fatigue.
Okay.
Energy drink isn't energying anymore. And I'm getting hungry. Are you the one that cooks at home, Don? When my wife is not home, yes. Cooking is not one of my best qualities, but I cook because I got 4 kids and I got to.
Choose your map.
Oh, hang on, Don. I know what it is.
What is it?
It's reset my settings, isn't it? So I just need to go in and change it to swap it around. I bet you. Where is that again? The meta scroll stuff?
Virtual desktop.
Desktops. Window manager. Window management. Virtual desktops.
Yep. And then swap scroll modifiers for moving windows with desktop switch. That's a horrible name for it. I need to change that. Is it fixed now?
Nope.
Oh, it's not there?
So I can... it's there, and I've got swap scroll modifiers for moving windows. Hang on, no, it's not there. What's it called again? Swap scroll modifiers for moving windows with desktop switch, right?
Yeah.
So it's there, and I've marked it. But if I hover over an app and do meta scroll, it takes that app to the next window.
Interesting.
So I've got no idea where it would have got that one from.
Another day, another battlefield.
5, 4, 3, 2.
What?
I'll check. I'm building it now, so what I'll do is I'll rerun it, just in case there's something local that is picking up that maybe it shouldn't be.
Got you. Okay.
I'll reinstall it. I'll do a full reinstall, and then see where I'm at.
Okay. Yeah, let me know how that goes.
Enemy over there. Let's go win this thing.
Oh, shoot.
Oh wow, I just got sniped. Is there a sniper? Oh, there is a sniper.
Oh,
What's his
there's,
name?
yeah. Oh, Widowmaker, yeah. There's a sniper.
The night is young.
Ah. Oh, we got a dude just stood here. I know.
We need to catch up.
Everyone feeling better? Need to reload.
Was that healing?
Barricade.
Yeah. It's me. Oh, watch out for that.
Watch for that sniper. Biotics deployed.
Engaging enemy forces.
Nice to be the patient for a change.
Oh, shoot. What's this button do?
Get in here. Reloading. Be careful. A round of healing.
Where'd they go? We're not even escorting the actual thing. We're over here.
Let me show you how it's done.
Nice Italian dinner.
Ooh, that sounds nice. Behind us somewhere? They are two behind us.
Big guy, aren't you?
Oh, yep.
Help, 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 help.
Someone call for a medic.
What's that? She's dead. Yep, she's dead.
Queen decree.
Immortality field deployed.
Over there.
Get in the
Oh, on me, on me, on me, on me.
Oh, they're all behind us.
Area denial.
Postal said, love the British accent, by the way.
Enemy forward spawn.
Thanks.
Heroes never die.
My turn.
Dead.
I want that robot back.
Lots of videos for when I'm not streaming or on stream, you know. Get your fix. Get your LGL fix.
Watch for that sniper.
Yeah. Oh, cooking.
This is fatal attention.
Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. We're dead. We're dead.
Oh, sniper,
I'm
sniper.
dead.
on
Yeah,
the
the
roof.
sniper, sniper. Sniper, sniping.
Sniper, no sniping.
Yeah.
Not every day gives you a second chance.
Gale de Mahol.
Oh, he got me. He got me.
Stay inside the field. Regen up. We'll get you where you need to go.
All right, we're moving. We're moving. Tree says, "Hey LGL, what a wonderful time spending on the stream this weekend or last weekend."
Thank you. Appreciate you. That was a lot of fun. I got nothing done, and I don't care.
That's how it works.
Because it was awesome. Yeah.
Oh shoot! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. This dude doesn't have any movement to get away from anything. That's the problem.
Oh, sniper got me again.
Oh jeez.
Damn it.
Enemy forward spawn room activated.
All right, here I come. Here I come.
I just got my ult as well. I'm gonna try a different one.
I got my
Try
ult
this
too.
one.
I don't know what it does though. Oh, everybody went this way, so I guess I gotta go this way.
Minor perk unlocked.
I'm taking fire. Thanks for the help. Let me show you how it's done. Let them up.
Engaging thrusters.
Tactical visor activated. Regen up.
Oh, behind us, behind us.
Get in here.
Wait.
Down goes another one.
Nice to be the patient for a change.
Double
She's dead.
Your capabilities. Over there.
Immortality field deployed.
Join together.
Who needs healing?
First group up here.
Hear them? Oh.
Enemy has the robot. Initiate search. Looking good. My turn.
Oh, there's two of them. I didn't realize that. Did not realize that.
2 minutes.
Oh, he got me, son of a bitch. Why was no one else shooting him?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
What is that? What is that character?
Which one?
The sniper.
Black Widow.
Engaged. Diva.
Or I said, wow, I said Black Widow. I meant Widowmaker. Black Widow's from Marvel Rivals.
All systems checked out.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Stay near the immortality field.
Major perk unlocked.
Come on, get up.
This is what you love to see.
I see an enemy.
All right, we got this.
60 seconds
This
remaining.
win is in the bag.
What's people behind us, isn't it?
Oh, sniper.
Over here.
for me. Get into the field.
The wasteland.
Thanks for the help. Let them up.
How is he getting a sniper then? I haven't got a sniper. Is there another gun or something? I don't know.
Get over here.
Which one? Are you supposed to Widow?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to aim down sights.
Reloaded. Stay alive. We have to get him back. Get in here. Someone give me a hand.
Shoot.
Stay inside the field.
10 seconds remaining.
Ah, okay.
Nerf this.
Oh wow.
Surviving and thriving.
Oh, we're alive right now.
Hit that robot.
Spawn room deactivated.
Pushing the barricade.
We're moving. Black Widow is an Underwatch, no way. Yeah, it's a new feature.
Enemy sniper. Immortality field deployed. We're on the move. My turn. Tactical visor activated.
Oh, no, I'm dead. I couldn't move. Couldn't move. Oh, get revived.
Pick yourself up.
No one can hide from my sight.
The grand finale. Protect the
We
robot.
got this. We got this.
Get into the field. Let me show you how it's done.
Ah!
I'm all out. Reloading.
Oh, they're behind us.
Need fire support here.
Shoot.
Do something. Adaptive circuit engaged.
Are we winning?
I think so. Oh,
All systems checked out.
Let them out. My turn.
We're moving. Kill the Mahal.
oh my goodness.
One good fight.
Overtime.
Hey, how's it going?
Defeat.
I fear Gaul. How we doing, man? We lost. All is well.
We lost.
Play of the game.
We lost.
Big time.
Right, I'm done. I'm coming back to bed. I think. I get this headache.
Okay. I think I'm done too.
Oh dear, I'm tired.
Oh. All right. Well, yep. That wraps it up for me as well. Appreciate you guys tuning in. He said, "Oh." Appreciate you getting me to. Let's see where we end at. 38 likes. Nice. That's really good. Thank you.
That's really good. And I've
Appreciate
done it
it.
as well already.
Yeah. I did. Oh yeah. Gotta ask. Oh yeah. Did you like
Did
the
it from
stream?
my phone. Yeah, yeah. Did it from my phone earlier.
There we go.
Straight away.
But yeah. Comment on the video after it's been you know what it's called? At like the VOD. If you like this style of stream, because I did a little differently today, just let me know. But other than that, I will catch you guys tomorrow around the same time. Thank you, Tree. Thank you, Postal. Thank you, Dex. Jules. See you soon. Tyler. Is it Tyler? Or, no, it's definitely Tyler. Sorry. Have a good one, guys.